Hello and welcome to Hyderabad. I'm Sujata. The holy month of Ramazan is just round the corner, and it is a month of patience, giving and sacrifice, and is known for the vigorous fasting that a devotee observes from dawn to dusk throughout the 30 days. Besides being the month of prayers, Ramazan is also famous for the delicious Haleems. And this year's Ramazan special Paradise Haleem is going to be spicier and available much earlier to savor its flavors. Hyderabad's one of the most favorite and famous biryani house, Paradise, is bringing Haleem much sooner this year, which also means offering more days of Haleem indulgence. The uniqueness of Paradise Haleem is in its authentic Hyderabadi Haleem recipe. As Hyderabadi food lovers can go frenzy to find the mouth-watering Haleem's taste and quality, Paradise Haleem offers 100% pure Halal Mutton, 100% pure ghee, zero artificial flavors, no preservatives and lots of love. That's why Paradise has cut down the waiting and brings the Haleem festival, Jashn-E-Haleem, starting from 15th of March and ends on 5th May across its 24 outlets of Paradise in Hyderabad. It means that foodies of Hyderabad would get 15 days extra to enjoy their favorite Haleem. Moreover, as CSR initiative, Paradise is offering their relished Haleems in orphanages and old age homes to make them part of the celebrations, extending the festivities to less privileged communities and spreading more happiness. Keeping in mind that this year as well home delivery orders could be more, Paradise will pack its Haleem in tamper-proof packs to ensure the best hygiene and quality. Thank you for watching Hyderabad.